Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're building a simple 12-volt battery status indicator using a 555 timer and 2 transistors. No microcontroller, no coding, just a clean analog circuit. Let's go! So the circuit has 2 stages. The left side uses 2 BC547 transistors and a 47K preset to monitor battery voltage. When voltage drops below your set level, the red LED lights up solid. The right side is a 555 timer in Astable mode, which keeps the green LED flashing continuously during normal conditions. The trick is, the 555's reset pin is connected through the red LED. When battery is healthy, the green LED flashes. The moment voltage goes low, the red LED fires, pulls the reset pin down, and the green LED shuts off completely. 2 clear states. Flashing means good, solid red means charge your battery now. That's it, guys. Simple, reliable, and 0 coding needed. Perfect for solar systems, electric fences, or any 12-volt battery project. If you found this useful, like and subscribe. Drop your questions in the comments. See you in the next one.